guys, it's Elise from the Crunchy Ginger, and it is officially summer. My June 2020 MightyFix is here, and I'm really curious to open this because it is fragile. So let's see what it is. Every month I get a box from MightyFix. It is a subscription program from MightyNest.com. It's $11 a month, and you get a surprise product. It's usually something for your home or kitchen. Sometimes can be a body care product. The last couple months I've been pretty surprised by what I got, so pretty excited to see what's in here. I also have ordered a couple of other things. You get free shipping with anything else you order, so I have a couple regular products I get. But let's dive right in. What? GoSili. This looks like a silicone coffee mug. Oh, it has a lid. Oh, it's like a sippy lid. Oh, cute. Okay. And you know what? This is my favorite color. As you can clearly see, it's as if they know me. This is so cool. Every month the fix comes with, that's not it, comes with, oh, it's inside. Duh. Okay. Every month your fix comes with some information about the product. Let's see what this says. Your MightyFix is here. This month's fix is a MightyNest office favorite, the GoSili coffee cup. 16-ounce all silicone tumbler, ideal replacement for disposable coffee cups, and is ready to go whenever you are. Eco-friendly cup that's infinitely reusable. GoSili did it, and we love it. 100% European-grade silicone tumbler features a patented embedded stainless steel ring that holds its shape. Where is it? Oh, it's at the top. So the top of this is really rigid. You can see the rest of it is squishy here, but this top, it looks like it has this stainless steel ring inside so it doesn't get all wonky. Grip it all you want, it won't collapse. It even goes from dishwasher to microwave safely. That's great. I usually use a Hydro Flask stainless steel coffee mug. But it doesn't go in the dishwasher, which is a little bit annoying sometimes. This is kind of a fun idea. 5 reasons to use GoSili cup. I won't go into all of that, but basically silicone is lightweight, I'm sure, natural material, hypoallergenic, doesn't promote bacteria or fungus growth. Silicone is free of harmful toxins such as BPA, lead, PVC, and phthalates. Silicone is very durable, so you can reuse it for a long time. When you're ready to dispose of it, the cup can be recycled. Cool, so here is my MightyFix for this month. Let's see, in my favorite color, I might add, let's see what else I got in my box this month. So if you've watched some of my other videos, you have seen me get this Meliora dish soap bar. It's amazing, and I was super excited. I just now picked this up from the mailbox. This box had to open immediately because I am out of this. Usually it lasts me a solid 4 weeks. I don't know if we were doing like a lot of dishes this month. Man, right when I open this box, I can smell this thing. It smells like lemonade. It smells so good. This is the lemon scented one, but basically it's just a dish soap in a bar. You rub your sponge right on here, and I keep mine right in the kitchen so I can see it. You can see I'm right at the end of this one. I keep it on this little guy that I also got from MightyNest, and it's perfect for this product. I have a second one of those that I use for my like shampoo bar in the shower, a little soap dish. I'll put a link for it below. You can check it out. This is the Thinksport natural deodorant. It is bergamot cedarwood scent. This one is for my husband. It smells really good, and he's been using this for many months now and hasn't complained. So I think this one is a winner. And this is a new product that I've got this month. This is a solid conditioner bar. It's by HiBAR, and I have not used this, but my best girlfriend has super curly hair, and this is what she uses on herself and on her 2 little girls who both also have beautiful curly hair. This is not for me. I do not need a tremendous amount of moisture in my hair, but my husband does. He also has beautiful curly hair, and so my girl swears by this, and so I wanted to check it out. It is similar to the solid shampoo bar. It's a solid conditioner bar. Oh, it smells nice. It's not exactly how I thought it would smell. I'm not sure how to even describe it. So instead of having like a liquid conditioner in a plastic bottle, you got this little guy. So you can just, I think, rub it right on your hair or rub it in your hands. It says on wet hair, be patient. HiBAR doesn't drown your hair like liquid conditioners. Gently work through your hair for a light, thorough coating. Wait a few minutes and then rinse. So I am really curious to see his review on this. And this month, I think I'm going to start doing something different. I would love a way to be able to follow up with some of these products. So if you are interested, after I have had a chance to use, like say my GoSili cup, or that he's used this HiBAR, I'll leave it in the comments below a little mini review of the product. So if you're curious about how it worked, or you want to chat about it, or you're thinking about buying one of these products, you can check it out there. Also, if you would like to check out MightyFix, I have a coupon code for you. You can use my link in the description below. Go to that website and you'll want to use the code MightyNow. It will get you your first MightyFix for just $3. There's no obligation. You can cancel it at any time, and go ahead and take advantage of any free shipping on any other products that you want to get. Again, it's code MightyNow, and just use the link below. They totally tricked me. It wasn't fragile, but MightyNest usually reuses the boxes from other products. They have sustainable packaging, so it's a total trick. It wasn't actually fragile. There you have it, my June 2020 MightyFix, my summer MightyFix. If you want to know more tips and tricks for how you can live a little greener and save a little money, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do one of these every month, and I also put out a video with a tip, a trick, a DIY to help you live a little greener and save a little money. Thank you so much for watching.